Meters. Question number 1 is compute the force that causes sliding. Again, ang force na mo causes sliding is due to its weight na gihapon. So, meaning, nag-go na ito ang ring away. So, sa'yo yung dimension. So, itong bola ni class, mag-go na ito. So, yung weight, kaning triangle na. Okay, muna siya ang slide, no? Muna siya ang landslide. Okay? So, paano na siya? Area of triangle naman yun. Okay, base. Okay? Height na. Times mo sa unit weight. Pagkuha na ka weight sa soil ng slide. Okay? But before that, kung sa nakaling ang mga dimensions na. So, this is x2. x2 is kanina dimension. Base na. Give na ako na siya. Okay? So, saan na siya guys? Aside ko lang. Bawal kami siya. Kailangan. We'll call this as x1. Okay? So, saan na siya guys? Tangent 30. Ito ba? Tangent 30. Then, height is opposite. 3. So, nandito si xy. Okay lang si xy. 3 point. Hanggat na daw. Okay, sige. Simal. 5 point. So, kanina dimension. Purpose na ito ng compute na ito is itong dual is kanina. Nakuha na itong base sa triangle na. So, x2, so na ito, tangent beta, tangent beta, so decrease, is to, kani, magyapa na, 3, I will call this as, ano lang, kani nga ito, call this as x3, no? So, natin x3. Pila si x3? 2.8. 2.5. 5.2. No? Then, solve that was x2, no? x2 is just x1 minus x3. So, plus x3 is 8. Ilan? 2.6. So, ano yung dimension? With this, mas mago na ito ang weight, no? Weight sa kanang slide. Okay, weight. Weight is just 1/2. Base times height na. Sa tabay, left triangle. 4.68 times 3. Times the unit weight of the soil, no? Unit weight is equals to weight of the volume, no? Makuha ng weight. Unit weight times volume. Unit weight sa soil is unit weight. 74. So, weight na ito is ilan? Ilan guys? 63.27. 63.27. Mura kami prepisari nga mag-meters. Okay? So, muna siya yung weight na. And this weight is, na siya ay x and y component na. Okay, so masolve din natin ng Wx. So Wx is just WX na. And WX is just weight. Saan na siya? This is ano na? Ilang meters? Degrees na. This one is also Adit gas na. This is 50. Ang weight is direct mo ka. Direct mo ka weight. So meaning, this is 30 na siya. So WX na to is weight. So man siya weight. Sin 30. Okay, so kailan si WX? 3, 1, 3, 1, 6, 4. So again, ang weight plus na division na rin na. Division mo. Okay. With that, this is 30, this is 30. Okay? So, kanina force is muna siya mo. Muna siya slide na. Because of that slide. Okay? So, now, is-compute na ito ang resisting force na. Resisting sliding. So, natin fraction na rin na. Kabo na ito F1. F1 is U and F1 is U is equivalent to tangent of angle of inversion. N is the y component. Y component is W cosine. So solve na ito sa F1. Ilan siya? Kila? 9.66. Then, aside from this structure, dapat tayo show to a question. Question times D. So, saan man yung D? So, D has to be this distance na. Paring na distance. Ang length sa earlier plane na. Okay, so solve na siya pag-solve. That is, pwede na ka sin na. Sin 30 is equals to 3 opposite over hypotenuse. I will call that as D. So, solve na ito si D. Kila si D. Kaya na katingal length. Kila guys? 6 exactly. 6. Okay, and with that, solve na ito si total equation. So, equation. So, equation, kailangan 17. So, total resisting force. At lahat na ito, 9.66 plus 0.72. 0.8 na. May total na resistance. Okay, so kailan 182.46 na. And question number 1 is, nakuha na lang, compute the force that causes the sliding. So, what is siya? 9, so this one. 31.64. Number 2 is compute resistance, sliding force on and off, 92.46 now. And look at the characteristic levels. So divide them as characteristic resisting force over the force. 82.4 over 31.64. So, yan na siya.